to Annexa on Air. I'm Bart Wadley, one of the Senior Solution Architects here at Annexa, and today's topic, we're looking at Saved Searches and how they can help with auditing and compliance. Most NetSuite users would be aware of the power of NetSuite when it comes to auditing and compliance. All records within NetSuite, whether that be a master record or a transaction, has the System Information tab. This System Information tab gives us all the information that has occurred on this record. It can tell us who, when, and what the change was that was made specifically for this record. But that involves us going to the record to see what those changes were or running a report after the fact. To enhance this further, we're going to use Saved Searches. So on this Saved Search that you can see here, we've turned on the auditing function to essentially notify us when a change has occurred. So on my email tab, I've selected the checkbox to outline to me when a new record is going to be created, and this is going to send direct to me. On my results tab, it's telling me what information I want to receive within that email. As you can see here on the screen, I'm now going to show you the email that I've received, which is outlining the information, and in real time I've been provided the information of the new vendor that has been created. To enhance this further, I might even want to utilize reminders within my portlet. I've created another Saved Search. This Saved Search specifically has been nominated to be available for reminders, and it's looking at vendors that are created within 1 week. Now on my dashboard, I've got the reminder showing new vendors being created. My next function I want to show is around updating of these records. So specifically around bank details being updated on my vendor profile, I want this information in as real time as possible. So what I'm showing here is my results looking at old and new values that have occurred on a change within a vendor bank detail. This time, when I look at the auditing, I want to specifically be notified when the record has been changed instead of just created. So the setup looks very similar, except in this case, I'm going to check the box to send on update, and more specifically, I'm going to make sure that I'm checking on the bank account number, and then that way, that is the trigger to send the email through to myself so I can be notified when this change occurs. As you can see on the screen, here's the email of what that would look like. Thanks for watching Annexa on Air, and stay tuned for our next episode.